I'm Don Roberts, bringing you SEC News in 60 seconds. Family Togetherness Week of Prayer concluded last Sabbath. The week focused on understanding diverse families and featured a joint SEC and NEC online programme, with nightly speakers including SEC President Pastor Kirk Thomas. Plymouth Church hosted the Area 1 Day of Fellowship themed Family Matters, with sessions led by SEC leaders of Family, Children, Safeguarding and Men's Ministries, plus representatives from the Adventist Special Needs Association and Cornerstone Counselling Service. In other news, Croydon and West Croydon churches joined forces for the Thornton Heath Festival, providing health checks, literature and craft activities. Wycombe Community Church participated in Buckinghamshire Council's Wycombe Celebrates event, which was opened by the Area 5 Pathfinder Drum Corps. Gloucester Church hosted an Inspired for Mission district event, and Stoke Newington Church celebrated a baptism. Thanks for watching. See you next week.